Hello, welcome to our presentation. We are group 30. I'm Vinh, and with my three teammates, Huy, Trường, and Vũ. And our project name is Happy Fridge. And due to the pandemic, we don't have a chance to make a physical presentation and project demonstration. So we have to make it online and now we are going to produce a video about it. So we are living in the modern age, and people tend to be busy, and they often forgot about the properties in their fridge. So we came up with an idea to make a mobile application to make a notification for users when their foods are about to expire. And we also have a we also have a function a feature that let user donate foods that they don't use anymore to those who are really in need of them. Yeah, and Trường will talk about the experience that we have faced during the development.
During our project development, we faced two major obstacles. First, we couldn't come up the idea of the project, so it took us 2 weeks to come up the idea. So it took a lot of time. The second obstacle is we have no experience in building a mobile application, so we have to learn a lot in the development of the application. And yeah, that's our experience during the development of the project. So we will we will talk about our poster.
This is our project poster. The project poster and brochure are built for the marketing purpose. First of all, it gives a quite description and objective of our application. Our application name is Happy Fridge, and its main objective is to help the user to know where about their food about going to expire. They will notify the users and help the user to use it faster so the food don't get waste. About the methodologies of our application, first of all, the user will register for an account. The user then will log in, and the application on the phone will be connected with the application in the smart fridge. Keep in mind, the fridge have to be connected to the internet in order to use this application. We can see the software architectures about how the application works. First of all, the login. When you log in, inside you can choose view your new feed or view your fridge items in order to know what food will going to be expired. When you view your new feed, you can post an item to donate or check an item to receive, but all two of these content are in the future to develop the app. After you post an item to donate or check an item to receive, you can contact with other users in the purpose of receive or give away an items. For the clear result, it is shared inside the final report. And for the future work, we will have a tire function, and we can also run on iOS. Also, for the donation, for the receive, and for the tire function. This is our brochures. The brochure are mainly built on For the marketing, the poster may be from the marketing view, but it mainly contain for what the content inside of the application. So the brochure is just showing our group project name, Happy Fridge, some of the image to make it colorful and catching eyes. We have a contact. We have all of our group members' information and how to contact to us from RMIT email. We have some catchphrase or some. For the brochure number 2, it will focus more from catching the attention of the readers when it gives some ideas why you should choose our application Happy Fridge. First of all, if you want to reduce the food trash, because when you know when will your food will going to expire, you can use it quickly, which it will not get waste and throw away because it expired and you cannot eat it. And reason number 2, you can list your top offenders. You can control your shopping cart. You know the food going expire and you don't order outside. You don't buy more food, which will cost you more money or waste your financials. For the reason number 3, in the futures, our application will have a planning function which can recommend your daily meals from what items that are in the fridge, which save you a lot of times. We will get back to Bing about the UI presentation.
So, so these are some example of our UI screens. Yeah, here you can see the smart fridge. This is our main page, and this this how you will is how user will add a new item to their fridge. And the other feature is that it's the new feed. Here you can see some of the posts made by user, and this where you can make a post, and Vũ will make Vũ will make a specific demonstration about our project now.
So I'm going to walk you through the demonstration of our application. So before we start, I have a few things that I need to say. So first of all, this is not a complete product because we ran into errors that we could not solve, and it was a mistake of choosing to work on a mobile application while I don't have any prior experience on working on mobile applications. So the main errors that caused the authentication to fail, and since the authentication didn't work, the login function as well as the register function that should return a user token in order to have each user using their own features is also affected. And so here I can only give you the demonstration of the function that works, and that is not related to the authentication. So the first screen is the user account. You can see all the account created by the user. When you click on a specific account, you can see all the details, and you are able to change the password if you want. So it should be updated. After that, you will be navigated back to the user account page. You can also delete the account by clicking on the delete button, and it will be removed from the database. So here is the main function of the application. So this is the notification that you are going to receive. Since I don't want to send too many notifications because it can be very annoying. So the notification will only be sent to user when the food is going to expire on that specific day. So here it says chocolate is going to expire, and you can see this is the chocolate, and the expire date is 1st of June, which is today. So as a user, when you know that this item is going to expire, you can either change the expire date to say 3/3, and if you want to get rid of this item, you can delete it, and it will be removed from the fridge. You can also add a new item by clicking the add new item button. For example, I'm going to add chicken, and you type in the category and also the expire date, such as today. You will automatically receive the notification. So when you want to donate on a food that is going to expire shortly, you can go to newsfeed here. So you can see all the posts that people are donating food that you can see the expire date here. So if you want to claim a specific item, you can click on a certain post, and you can see all the post detail as well as the expire date. And the status is pending, which means nobody has claimed it yet. If you want to claim it, you will click on this button, and it will be claimed. It will be claimed by you, so it will be removed from the newsfeed, because that's how it works. So a post can only be claimed by one person. So you can also donate item by clicking on add post. And you can tell people the expected expire date, so that they can decide whether to receive the donation or not. So here, so there should be more screens where you can see all the claim item, as well as the point that you get from claiming the item. However, due to the error that I have in authentication, it was impossible to make the function work, because you will need to get the session token from the user to know whose post is whose, and who is the person that claimed the post. And because the authentication, it did not work, so I have to abort those screens. I'm going to debug. I'm still working on debugging, but so far I have tried my best and tried everything that I could, but still couldn't find a solution to the error. So this is all that we have right now. Thank you for listening.